2 years ago, I ruined my wife's birthday barbecue by serving beautifully seared, but entirely unchable, flank steak. Embarrassed, I realized marinades aren't enough. You need mechanical tenderizing, but shopping for one is a nightmare. The market is flooded with flimsy gadgets, and the first cheap Model 1 bot snapped in half instantly. Frustrated, I spent months testing the most popular options to find the truth. Today, I'll show you which tenderizers actually work, including my #1 pick that magically transforms cheap supermarket cuts into filet mignon. Prepare to throw your old kitchen malaise straight into the trash. 5. JY Gourmet Meat Tenderizer. When I first started testing the JY Gourmet Meat Tenderizer, I was immediately drawn to the concept of its 48 stainless steel blades. The idea here is to press down on the meat, driving all those tiny razor-sharp blades through the muscle fibers to break down the tough connective tissue. Out of the box, it feels like a handy, compact little gadget. It operates on a spring-loaded hand press mechanism, meaning you simply grip the top handle and stamp it repeatedly across your cut of meat. For my first test, I took it straight to some notoriously tough bottom round steaks that I plan to marinate for fajitas. The immediate benefit of this blade-style tenderizer is how it creates tiny heat channels inside the meat. When I applied my citrus marinade after stamping the beef, the liquid absorbed remarkably fast. Instead of the flavor just sitting on the surface, it penetrated deep into the cuts, which did noticeably reduce my overall cooking time on the skillet. The steaks cooked faster and tasted incredibly flavorful. For basic, occasional home cooking where you just want to speed up a marinade, the JY Gourmet does functionally perform the task it claims to do, and the entry-level price tag makes it an appealing first step into the world of mechanical meat tenderizing. However, the longer I lived with this tool in my kitchen, the more the design flaws became glaringly obvious. The outer housing and the handle are made of a lightweight plastic that honestly feels quite flimsy when you really need to put your body weight into a thick cut of meat. 4. XSpecial Meat Tenderizer. Moving up slightly in the blade category, I spent a solid month working with the XSpecial Meat Tenderizer. Right away, this model feels like a much-needed upgrade from the cheaper alternatives. It also features 48 stainless steel blades, but the housing is noticeably sturdier and the grip is contoured differently to better fit the palm of your hand. XSpecial heavily markets this tool as a way to reduce your cooking time by 40%, so I decided to put that to the test with some incredibly thick pork chops that always seem to dry out before they cook through. The blades on the XSpecial are surprisingly sharp and penetrate dense meat with significantly less effort than the previous Model 1 tested. When pressing down into the pork chops, the action felt smoother, and the spring mechanism offered a much more satisfying, consistent rebound. The channels it created allowed the pork to cook evenly, preventing the edges from turning into jerky while waiting for the center to reach a safe temperature. It certainly delivers on its promise of making meat more tender and speeding up the time spent over a hot stove, making it a very capable tool for regular meal prep. But despite the upgraded feel, the XSpecial still falls victim to the inherent drawbacks of this specific style of kitchen gadget. The safety lock mechanism, which is designed to keep the blades retracted when stored, is surprisingly finicky. When my hands were covered in olive oil and raw meat juices, trying to slide the stiff locking tab back into place was incredibly frustrating. 3. Jaccard 45 Blade Meat Tenderizer. If you are absolutely dead set on using a blade-style tenderizer, the Jaccard 45 Blade Meat Tenderizer is where you should actually spend your money. Jaccard is widely considered the original pioneer of this design, and the moment you take it out of the box, the difference in engineering quality is immediately apparent. Instead of cheap, brittle plastic, The Jaccard utilizes a high-impact ABS plastic that feels dense, rugged, and professional. It features 45 stainless steel columns that are shaped less like flat razors and more like precisely angled chisels, designed specifically to cut through tough connective tissues without tearing the actual meat fibers apart. I tested the Jaccard on a venison roast, which is notoriously lean and prone to becoming incredibly tough if not handled perfectly. The Jaccard glided through the venison with an incredibly satisfying, buttery smooth action. There was no catching, no creaking, and no fear of the handle snapping under pressure. It beautifully severed the tough sinew, allowing my wet rub to deeply infuse the roast. When I slow-cooked that venison, it pulled apart with a fork, retaining all its moisture. The precision of the Jaccard blades ensures that you are tenderizing the meat without turning it into an unappetizing, shredded mess. What truly sets the Jaccard apart from the lesser knockoffs is the stability of its wide base. The bottom plate sits perfectly flat against the meat, preventing the blades from entering at weird angles or bending when they hit a slightly tougher spot. It gives you an immense sense of control. You can precisely target the thickest parts of a chicken breast while leaving the thinner, tapered ends alone, ensuring a perfectly even cook across the entire piece of poultry. 2. Gourmet Easy Meat Tenderizer Tool. Eventually, during my testing, I realized that while blades are great for marinades, sometimes you just need to violently flatten a piece of meat. That realization brought me to the Gourmet Easy Meat Tenderizer tool, and it completely shifted my perspective on what a kitchen mallet should be. The Gourmet Easy abandons springs and blades entirely in favor of a brilliantly simple, heavy-duty, one-piece stainless steel design. This is a dual-sided hammer featuring a completely smooth flat side and a heavily textured spike side. I primarily tested the Gourmet Easy while making chicken schnitzel and veal piccata, dishes that absolutely require the meat to be pounded paper thin. The weight distribution on this tool is nothing short of exceptional. Because it is solidly cast, you do not have to swing it wildly like a carpenter framing a house. You simply lift it a few inches and let the sheer weight of the stainless steel head drop onto the meat. It effortlessly flattens chicken breasts uniformly, entirely eliminating the problem of the thick end being raw while the thin end gets burnt to a crisp in the frying pan. The spiked side of the mallet proved to be equally phenomenal when I brought home a cheap skirt steak. A few rhythmic taps with the textured face effectively broke down the dense muscle fibers, physically tenderizing the steak in seconds. What I love most about this tool is the tactile feedback. You can actually feel the meat yielding under the weight of the mallet, allowing you to gauge exactly how tender your cut is getting. 1. Dalstrong Meat Tenderizer Tool. All of my testing ultimately led me to the Dalstrong Meat Tenderizer tool, and I can confidently say this piece of equipment is an absolute game changer that makes every other tenderizer feel inadequate. Dalstrong is renowned for its high-end culinary gear, and they have applied that same premium craftsmanship to this tool. Forged from high-carbon stainless steel, this mallet is an absolute unit. It features an incredibly ergonomic, military-grade G10 handle that feels glued to your hand, even when your fingers are slick with oil or water. It is a stunning, aggressive, and beautifully over-engineered masterpiece. I put the Dalstrong through the absolute gauntlet, testing it on the cheapest, thickest, most stubborn chuck roasts I could find at the local butcher. The performance is almost difficult to describe until you feel it. The heft of the Dalstrong is so perfectly balanced that the tool does 100% of the work. Striking the meat with the textured side immediately breaks down the toughest gristle and fat without tearing the surface to shreds. It allowed me to take a cheap $5 cut of beef and physically transform its texture until it cooked and chewed with the tenderness of a premium ribeye. The flat side of the Dalstrong serves as the ultimate precision anvil for delicate tasks. Whether I was flattening out pork cutlets, crushing whole cloves of garlic in a single tap, or even cracking open tough walnuts and crab shells, the broad, smooth face delivered consistent, flawless results every single time. The angle of the head is slightly canted, which perfectly aligns with the natural downward swing of your arm,